everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is SherelleSaintRose and today I'm back with another video. If this is your first time seeing my face, I do beauty, lifestyle and natural hair videos. If that kind of content interests you, you may want to think about subscribing to my channel. I'm relatively new to YouTube. I have a lot of exciting and new videos planned, so make sure you click that bell notification down below to make sure that you never miss another update. So, as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be using natural aloe vera gel in my hair. I'm really intrigued to see what it's going to do for my hair, because in my last video I did straighten it and it didn't stay that way. My hair loves to revert back to its natural state. It literally just wants to stay in afro. Also, that was the first time I've ever straightened my hair. I've blown out my hair numerous times and within about 3 or 4 hours or so, my hair just reverts and shrinks. So these are the results of me straightening my hair a couple days ago, and yes, I did try and take care of it. I did the wrapping method. I tried everything, but my hair just loves to revert. So do you know what? I'm going to put down the hair straighteners and I don't think I'm going to use them for a very long time. I'm going to put a little bit of a before and after to show you what my hair looked like before when I first straightened it and what it looks like now. Also, if you want to see that video, I will leave it up in the iCard somewhere here and you can go and check that out after you watch this video. Now let me show you how I prepared the aloe vera. This is the aloe vera plant that I used in my hair. I know you can buy them from shops, but I have my own plants at home, so I thought I would just use this. So what I normally do is that I cut off the leaves. I try and get the knife as close as I can to the stem without ruining the other leaves. And that yellow stuff coming out, that's actually the laxative that comes out of the plant. So what I do is I let it strain on a piece of tissue for about 10 minutes, and this stuff smells so earthy. I can't stand the smell of it, literally. It's so bad. It just smells ugh. But anyways, this is how I cut the plant. I cut the tip of it because you don't normally get a lot of gel from the top of it, and then I cut off the spikes on the side, which is really easy to do, and I cut them off the other side as well. And then what I do is that I peel it off instead of using the knife, because when I try to use a knife to slice off the other bit, it just doesn't work for me. I normally cut off all the meat and then I have to scrape it off with a spoon anyway. So this is what it looks like. It's full of goodness that's going to go in my hair. And this is me peeling it. Normally if you peel it really slowly, you can almost peel it all in one go, but I forgot and I was just peeling it really fast and it kept on coming off in smaller pieces. But nevertheless, it took me about 2 minutes to do anyway. And as you can see, it's really gooey. So to get all the meat out, what I did is I just used a spoon and put it into a little container. I did use 3 leaves to make this video. And what I do is I put it into a little blender with about 50 milliliters of water, and I only blitzed it about 6 times, but I would actually blend it because when I put it in my hair in the video, you'll see that there's still a lot of chunks. Now we've seen how I prepare the aloe vera. This is what it looks like. I've put it in this little container here and it's still got a little bit of thicker bits in it, but it's mixed with water because I didn't want to spritz my hair at the same time. Now guys, let me show you the current state of my hair. Okay, this is what my hair currently looks like, and don't laugh, I know it looks atrocious, but we're going to hopefully fix it now with the aloe vera. It's also very untamable and I'm trying to make it look somewhat presentable for the camera, hence the reason why it was in that weird high puff situation. Now I'm going to take a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair and part it into sections, and then we'll go from there. When I detangle my hair, I always like to start from the bottom and work my way up to the top, and that normally makes it a lot easier to detangle. To make things easier when detangling my hair, I normally split my hair in half, and then from that half I split into 2 again, so that's 4 sections each side, and then I just use a grab clip to keep it out of the way. And to detangle my hair, I normally start from the bottom with a wide tooth comb and work my way up to the top until I feel no more tangles left. When I put the aloe vera gel in my hair, at first my hair wasn't reverting and I was so scared. I thought I had heat damage for a second, so I kept on putting more and more and more in until I slowly saw waves, and then eventually my normal curl pattern came back and I was so pleased about that. but the mixture is really nice. I think it was a good idea to mix it with water so that you don't have to spritz your hair. It just kind of eliminates a part of the process, but it made my hair feel really soft, and my curl pattern came back, which I'm really pleased about. The only thing that I'll do next time is use the applicator bottle to make sure that I reach the root of my hair. I also gave myself a little bit of a light finger detangle, and I 2-strand twisted my hair to keep it out of the way when I started on the other sections. And this is what my hair looked like afterwards once it's all 2-strand twisted up. Lastly, I wrapped my hair in a plastic bag and put a headscarf on top, and then I waited an hour. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 hour.
Okay, your timer is set for 1 hour.
See you in an hour, guys. One thing I noticed immediately after letting my hair process is that my 2-strand twists were so shiny, and they were really bouncy and plump as well. So that's how I know that this aloe vera gel did so well in my hair. And also, once I'm doing the 2-strand twist, you can just see like the difference from what my hair was like before and to what it looks like now. And I couldn't stop running my fingers through it. Oh, I just loved it so much. To wash my hair, I used Mane and Tail shampoo and the conditioner, and this is what my hair looked like directly after. It's not picking it up on camera, but I'm going to explain it to you. My hair felt so unbelievably soft and so fluffy. This is what it looked like in a high puff as well, and it was just so different. Like, I've never felt my hair this soft before. It was actually kind of unbelievable. But that's not even the best part. The best part is when I put hair gel in my hair. Look at the curls. Come on, you can't tell me that is amazing. Compared to how it looked like before, those curls were so soft, they were so bouncy, and I didn't even use anything special in my hair. All I used was a little bit of Eco Styler gel, and that was it, guys. And my hair was flourishing. I'm definitely going to be using this again. I think I'm going to do it every single time I blow out my hair, before and afterwards, because the results were amazing. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and also subscribe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos as well.